So I wanted to provide some helpful tips about this particular website, the tracking website. In addition to the blue navigation bar where you can quickly jump to things like the reports, the list of screening forms, or even to REDCap, I wanted to point out that there is this log off button. It would be nice if you got into the habit of clicking that log off button so that you're formally exiting out of the website, but if you happen to click on the X to close the web browser, that also works in terms of logging you out. I wanted to mention that there is a timeout period. So if you're not active, if you have the website open, but you're not touching anything on the website and you just have it open, it will automatically log you out after, I think it's 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So if you happen to be collecting information from a participant when you're doing contact information, for example, or if you're looking at the scheduling form for a long time, if you want to avoid being timed out, you just want to sort of click somewhere on the page, and that will help sort of reset that timer. If you don't do that, then the system will time out and it will kick you out. And if you happen to have entered some of a form but have not clicked that blue save button, then that data will be lost. So if you are in the middle of a form and you know you're going to get up to use the restroom, it would be a good idea to click that save button just to make sure that everything is saved, so that you don't lose any information. You don't have to go back and re-enter things. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. I'm always happy to help.